it's just very, very, very quick. It's mainly like an update of some of the upcoming videos that I have planned. And also, I am so shocked at how many of you guys enjoyed my crafting chat. I was just like, wow. So I guess there will be some more of those in the future. But I was going through my idea journal, and I figured I would go ahead and show you some of the stuff that I've got planned. Y'all, this journal is nowhere near, I don't know. I don't have hardly anything in it, I don't think, but you see it. This is just a little craft journal that I picked up from Michael's one day. It was on clearance or sale or something. And it's got all kinds of different stuff in it. And so I thought it was great for my idea journal, and it has been. I am going to do something to the cover. I don't know if I'm going to do some watercolor or collage. I don't know. So I'll just kind of go through it just a little bit with you. So I've got this page here. This is plastic. I have no idea what I'll do with it, but we'll see. This is a cardstock thing, and it's got a pocket. So, and a lot of the stuff that you're going to see in here are literally, excuse me, it is just like very rough ideas that I might have thought about and then just done something real quick just so that I would remember the, what I wanted to do and then perfect it. So like this, it's just like a little journal type thing with the little pockets. I've got a couple pieces of coffee dyed or ink dyed paper. So it's just to remind me, you know, that it's there. And so this little thing also comes with these photo pages. And so, I've stuck a couple of things in there that I don't really want to like glue down. This one, I think Miss E or Melina, or maybe both. I don't remember. But I think that's who I seen that. And then this, I liked it. It's just two pieces of cardstock, but it's just to kind of, you know, remind me of what it is and how to do it. This was an altered playing card that I sewed some vellum on to make a pocket and then just stuck a little tag down in it. So again, it's just a little reminder. This is another one of like the two pieces of cardstock, but I made that like a card almost. These were some of those pieces out of the paper pack that I would never use that, you know, I made into like some journal type cards. And that's what this one is as well. So it's just kind of one of those little brief reminders of what I can do. This here is an envelope, but I put pockets on the back of it. So again, that's just like, hey, silly, you can do this. You know, because I forget, you know. This is another altered playing card that I've just covered and put some lace dolly on it. This is one of those little real quick like coin seed envelopes. And so I believe, did I leave a, okay, yeah, so there's a pocket in the, this is a pocket, and then there is a pocket behind it as well. And then this is a belly band, but it's, to go this way, it's too short for this page. And I didn't want to glue it sideways because how pretty it is, but it's just, you know, again, a reminder. I did put one of the belly bands going this way so that I would know. This was something I'd done with a piece of Tim Holtz paper. I don't remember if I seen somebody do this. Maybe Melina, I don't know. Maybe not, I don't know. But that's just one of my little things that, you know, to kind of remind me of what I can do. This is a little, this has a pocket here. You can put something there. And it opens up. And then I believe I left the pocket. Where did I leave another pocket? Oh yeah, there's a pocket there. It's not, that's too wide. Let me see if I got something there I can show you guys. Yeah, so there's a pocket behind it there. And then this was another one of those like pockets. And then this is something I had done some gesso on with the little washi flower, and I think, yeah, so there's the pocket inside and there's the pocket behind it. This is one of our little collage stamps that we did that I do not have glued down very well, apparently. This is just one of the little pieces of scraps that I made into like a little pocket. So you have the pocket there, and then I glued this one down to where you have a pocket over here. So I can stick like a paper clip that's got a ribbon or something on it out that, and it'll stick out the side there. This is just a little flip up. It is a side tuck. And then this, okay, so there's this. Maybe this, I've seen this on Miss E's channel. I don't remember. I used to write it down on the stuff, but I didn't, and I don't know. So it's got a pocket there. There's a pocket there. There's a pocket there. So it's got several pockets. And then this I've seen on Miss Gail's channel, Gail Agostinelli. And, okay, so this opens up and you have this area here. And then the way I glued it down, it's a tuck. And then this right here is a pocket as well. And then it also opens up this way for journaling. And I'll have to try to remember the measurements on that. I should have wrote that down. And then this was one of those Mead index card things that we had collaged. I've just got it stuck in there. And then this is that little set of envelopes that I made out of that vintage floral paper that's in my shop. And get out. So it's this several little envelopes. And so with me having that in there, I'll always remember, hey, you know, do the little envelope set. This is another one of the little envelopes that I've made, and I put a pocket on the back of it. Do I have anything else? Oh, yeah. This was a, what do you call it? Like a little journal card that I made out of some magazine page and stitched around. And then I put it down in that little plastic pocket, which I could probably seal, but, you know. And then, so see, you've got those. You've got the white paper, and you've got craft paper. And so this is one thing I do want to work on tomorrow. Again, this one here is very, very rough. So this is some of the window envelopes that you get in your junk mail. And I opened it up and I put some of the, I don't know if you can see because of my shadows. Everywhere I go, it's going to cover the image. So, I don't know. I'm trying to get it where you guys can see, but there we go. Maybe. Is that better? So, yeah, I've got some of the vintage floral paper behind it. So it's a pocket in there, and it is a pocket behind. This was a tag that we made from some magazine paper. This was one of our tags we made a long time ago, and in one of the mass makes. And this one, I just had it stuck behind it there. And then this is an envelope. It's one of those window envelopes just like that. But I had collaged on it, and I believe I left an opening on the side. I did. So there, it's got a little pocket there. And then there's a pocket here. Is this a pocket? Or no. Okay, so it's got a pocket there. So there's that. What else? This one is another one. I don't remember where I seen this. I don't remember. But it's an envelope. It has a pocket there. It's got the little envelope thing there. Did I glue it all down where I wasn't supposed to? Oh, no. Okay, so it does open. It's got a pocket there. So, yeah, I don't remember where I've seen that either. I need to look back through and see if I can find it. Is there anything else? Oh, there's this. This is when I am working on this design for my Etsy. So I have created this little folder and I've created these little cards and I think it's turning out cute. So if it does, I will, you know, put the finishing touches on it and get it listed in several different designs. This one is the ledger and lace design. And then just going on back. Oh, this is one of the folders of the mini file folder books. This was like my prototype. This is what I'd done before I created the actual set. I'd done that one with scrapbook paper and measured it and scored it and, you know. And then, okay, I think this is the last thing. This is one of those little accordion type books that we made with pockets and belly bands, and it's got the pocket here with a little card. It's got the little pockets there. It's got a pocket there and here. So yeah, so that's all I wanted to do, guys, really, was just jump on here and show you this real quick and, you know, give you some ideas of what may be coming up. I am going to try and work with the coffee dyed envelopes tomorrow. I have these right here that I want to do some stuff with. I am not sure what all I'm going to do with them, but we may just decide together what to do with them. But I have those that I want to work on, and we may try to figure out and remember this thing here that I know it was on Miss Gail's channel, so I may try to go over there and see what I can find and send this. I need to go watch, and I don't know. I need to find out all of this stuff for this because I've got quite a bit. This is just one of my idea journals, but anyway, guys, I will let you all go. I just wanted to jump on here and show you this and tell you guys thank you for all of the lovely comments on my videos, the craft and chat. I am still shocked that y'all enjoy that. You know, my life is crazy, crazy, crazy. There's so many stories I could tell. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm gonna run. My hubby is home. Oh, y'all see my little thing that when it come in my AJ kit, and I put it underneath my glass mat, and I said it will always stay on my desk. So Melina, if you watch my video, make sure you show Aaron that he is always right here. And it just reminds me, number one, it reminds me of how good God is and what God can do. And so I'm trying to keep that covered because the light's glaring right there. But you can see it's got his little signature and all. And so that's one thing I said I would do. I was going to keep it there. And guess what? It doesn't move. It stays right there. So anyway, guys, I shall talk to you all later. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.